Hi everyone, today we will display data from surveys. So first, let's talk about what a survey is. So a survey is a question or questions used to gather information called data. And data is simply collected information. Sometimes just a sample or a group of people is surveyed to represent a larger group. An example when a sample may be used is if we wanted to know the nation's favorite ice cream. We wouldn't survey everybody in the nation. It would just take too long. So we'd take a sampling of people to represent the nation and find out what their favorite ice cream was. Now, with this information, we're going to make a line plot and a frequency table. So first, we're going to make a frequency table. So these numbers up here represent test scores. So first thing we need to do is look at them and find the lowest test score, which is 15, and the highest test score, which is 20. And if you notice, we have some that are halves too, so we need to take that into account. The first thing our frequency table needs is a title. We'll call this test scores. Now I'm going to label my columns. So the first one's going to be the scores. Then we're going to make a column for tallies, and frequency is going to be the final, when we add up the tallies, the final number. So 15 is our lowest score. We're going to start there. We have one tally. It's going to equal 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them right now. So I put all my tallies in, and now I just have to put my final numbers in. So 1 for 15, 0, 1. And that's our completed frequency table. Now, a frequency table could have a tally column, or this could be eliminated if you wanted to. Either way, it would be fine. Now we're going to make our line plot. So it's going to go from 15 to 20. And now I'm going to put the halves in. Now let's add our data. So 15, we have 1 occurrence. 15 and a half, none. 16, we have 1 occurrence. We're trying to make it all look even, they're same size. 16 and a half. Trying to make that X the same size. 17, we have 3 occurrences. 1. 17 and a half, 1. 18, 3. 19, 2. I'm sorry, 18 and a half, 1. And then 19, 2. 19 and a half, 1. And 22. We need to label this, so we're going to write up here. Test results. So that's our title. Over here we could put frequency, or how many people scored. And at the bottom we could put test scores. So it's important we include a title and labels as well. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck, and let me know if I could help in any way.